So, it looks like I found my home for the night. This is Cape Cook Lagoon. Welcome to the Cape Cook Lagoon. Here is my hammock home. I have set up a hammock with a fly over top. And here is my ocean view. There's my little fireplace. Woo! Check that view out. So here I am, Cape Cook Lagoon. I made it about 36 kilometers. It's been a real nice stay here, really nice. I slept next to my campfire last night. Here's my campfire, right here. My hammock is up in a tree right there. Cape Cook Lagoon. Voila. I wish I could stay longer, but I got south winds today, which hopefully will push me from behind. And I'll give a handful. Alright. Starting to get that feeling like, what the hell am I doing out here? Like, I'm so far from any place I really know. And there's other times that I wonder, why would I ever leave? Like, I know there's people to see and things to do, but I'm dragging my feet. It's like when you're a little kid and your mom wants you to go, but you want to stay. I know I should go. It's getting later in the day, the winds pick up, but someday. Have to get water. It goes by the name of Mount Doom. name is like a challenge within itself. And we are back at the lagoon because I slacked all day long and I didn't leave. And here we are. I didn't leave because I couldn't leave. It's too beautiful. And there was many other factors such as a strong northwest wind, which has changed coming from the east now. That's odd. Anyways, stay tuned. I cannot believe this place. It is so incredible. I stayed an extra day. It's the first place along the way, except Tassus, that I have spent more than one night, or will have spent more than one night. We have out front a perfect skimboarding pit at low tide. We have a surf break coming from northwest. Some nice waves when it's clean. We have a beautiful lagoon area. This is salt water, but also mixed with fresh water. Just off into there is where the water source is. Nice river coming out. Good calm area for landing a kayak. Spectacular. Mount Doom. And multiple choices of places to camp depending on the wind. And I have switched my little campground, my little fire area, to behind this log because we now have a northwest wind coming from the other direction. I don't know if cameras can quite tell you what this place beholds. I'm a Cape Cook Lagoon. Right next to Mount Doom. But I got no gloom. But I'm gonna need a big broom. 'Cause I got a whole lot of sand in my room. That one's from my grandpa.